group is Tony and Peter's group.
Hello everyone, again, I just have to, we keep saying this over and over, and I think the students maybe don't believe us, but this really has been the best group of campers we've ever had, by far, no doubt about it, outstanding. Worked on a lot of fundamental techniques on how to play your instrument, how to carry your instrument, how to be professional. Even putting your instrument down matters. Everything matters in this activity, and that's what we worked on this week. And we put together this cadence entitled 8 Healthy Hands.
Outstanding. Thank you guys. That was great. Good job.